Hi DIYers, Drew here with Alarm Grid, and today we're going to show you guys how to find the IMEI number on your IQ Panel 5. There's actually 4 different ways that you can find this 15-digit number, so no matter what situation you're in, we'll be able to help you out. The first way you can find it is on the box that your panel comes in. The second way you can find it is on the back side of the panel. The third way you can find it is within the settings menu of the panel. And finally, if you, for some reason, lose the IMEI number, you can actually find it on alarm.com. So if you find yourself needing this 15-digit IMEI number, there's actually a few reasons you might need this number. Reason number 1 is going to be if you're setting up monitoring with a new monitoring company. Reason number 2 could be if you're replacing or getting a brand new panel. Each panel is going to have a different IMEI number, so you're going to need to provide that to your monitoring company, so that way they know. And finally, if you're reaching out to your monitoring company for help, they're going to need your IMEI number to see on the device lists which one is going to be the one that you need help with. So like I said, the first way to find your IMEI number is on the box, which you can find right here underneath the bottom barcode. So the second way you can find the IMEI number is actually here on the back side of the panel, which is going to be right here underneath the second barcode. All right, so here we have our IQ Panel 5, and we'll show you how to find the IMEI number within the settings menu. So first you're going to want to tap on the drop-down menu here. Then you'll go into settings, and then you'll run into advanced settings. Then you'll enter the installer code, which is 1111 by default. Then you're going to want to touch About right here. Then you'll see all the options we have here, from battery, software, hardware. You're actually going to want to run over to the top right over here, Cellular. And you'll scroll down a bit and you can see IMEI is right here. The 15-digit code is right there for you. So if for some reason you can't find your IMEI number any other way, or if you've lost it or don't have access to your panel, if you contact your monitoring provider, they'll actually be able to pull up the number for you. As long as you just verify some account information, they should have that IMEI number on file for you, and they'll be able to pull it up. All right, and that's how you find your 15-digit IMEI number on your IQ Panel 5. We showed you how to do that in 4 different ways. Firstly, we showed you how to find it on the tag that's on the box that it came in. Secondly, it's on the back of the panel. Third of all, we showed you how to go into the settings menu to find it that way. And also, you can contact your monitoring provider and they'll be able to provide it for you as well. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a big thumbs up. We appreciate it. Also subscribe down below, push the bell icon for notifications, so that way you don't miss another video. I know you guys love seeing me. Also, if you have any questions at all, please give us a call at 888-818-7728. We'll be happy to help you out. Also, you can email us at support@alarmgrid.com. If you have any questions, again, please reach out. Also, you can go online at www.alarmgrid.com, where we have a live chat feature, and we'll be happy to help you there. Again, my name's Drew from Alarm Grid. Thank you for watching.